is that I go out and I say, that's 10,000 square feet. I want it to have 5,000 of industrial, 5,000 of office, and specify the other parameters, and then you advertise for a design builder. You're at roughly maybe 30% of concept drawings, 50%. And then the design builder go through their qualifications, then they take your requirements, they go away, they work with their designers, and they come out. What do you think about this? Here's my proposal. And then they will give you a price. A lump sum price. That's called traditional design building. There is the other end of the spectrum is what we call progressive design build. In a progressive design build, essentially you say, I want a design build team on board very early. I have limited information on what I want. I want you here to work together as a team to develop this project. And then at a point, it's a little bit more complicated, but a point then you negotiate a maximum cost with the design builder. There's a lot of different flavors with that. And then there's a third design build in kind of in the middle, which has rigid documents. I won't start a lot of that component of it. But those are the flavors of design build. And one of the things that you'll find is different public owners interpret the statutes differently. Clearly, the intent when we made this change in the statute years ago was to utilize a progressive design build and we call it price factor design. Well, some agencies didn't believe that that was clear enough, that progressive design. So what was in this bill was to clarify that yes, progressive design build is in statute. You're going to see a little bit of that. The other thing that was in statute was there was a limit on public owners or owners that wanted to do individual projects on how many you could do between 2 and 10 million. What we learned, and this is the incremental change part. There were a few public owners that did these 2 to 10 million projects, and they were extremely successful. The contractors liked them, the owners liked them, it wasn't too expensive, and it was really a great thing. So after we got some experience at these sites, we said, okay, let's take away the limits, and everybody can do as many of the 2 to 10 million as we like. That's a little bit of it. The other thing that part of this negotiation to make changes was to clarify that inclusion plans, what an inclusion plan really is, very simple. It has to tell you what outreach or what's their approach that they're going to use to either recruit or create subcontractors on their contract. And some of those need to be focused on OMWP certified firms, small firms, but that's essentially what it is, an inclusion plan. We spent a lot of time going into details, but that in general is mentioned certified firms. There were some changes to the RFQ, RFP requirements, so they better align with design build, our progressive design build. That's essentially what they were. So I wouldn't get too concerned over what the changes in those requirements. Very little stuff. And as I mentioned, in the evaluation factor, it was added that the past performance of the proposed contractor in utilization of certified businesses. A part of certified businesses is a factor. Put it in the law. You can't do that. All the good owners then have an additional burden to comply with yet another. My goodness, how many pieces are going to have to do? But that's reality. We're trying to fix that, but it's all easier to legislate than to try to address head-on. There's a requirement for reporting. And the last item here, when you're doing these design build projects, the contractors, primarily the professionals, the architects, the engineers, others, spend a lot of money, like in traditional, because they've got to come up with a design sufficient that the contractor can cost it and then submit. And the A&E community said, gosh, you're just trying to get free services from us and using design build. If we did design bid build, you had to pay us to do that. So they felt that that was unfair. Quite frankly, what is in statute, the honorarium is intended not to cover their costs to make a proposal. It was to encourage competition. So in the negotiations, maybe Janice could share a little bit more on that. Went back and forth, and there was a lot of different proposed language, but in the end, they changed one word, they agreed to it, saying that to recognize the level of effort required to meet the selection. That was true. It really was a non-change. But to be aware that, I'll give an example of WSU went out for a design build, and on the first design build, I believe their honorarium was several $100,000. And they give those to the three finalists, or the two finalists, or probably finalists. There are four were selected with that. They came up with a second one, which was virtually the same or same type of design build. They said, probably don't have the numbers exactly, but we'll give you $50,000. Wait a minute here. I had to do the same work for the first one, and we got several $100,000. I got to do the same work here, and it's only 50. That's not. But when, from an owner's perspective, they were only trying to encourage competition. They had great competition on the first one. They knew they were going to have great competition on the second one, so they had more on market. Not more, but you will get pushback with something. So that's briefly what changes are in this. Only 10 minutes, 10 minutes long here. And that concludes some of the alternative public works. I'll be around for most of the day, and I'll be at this contact through the end of the year. So if you'd like to talk about anything, obviously, Chris will have my contact information. Once again, thank you very much for allowing me to represent you in the legislative process and to share with you today. And 20 years, I think we've done this for 15 years to work with you. And I wish you all the best of luck and much success.